Hello, quick analysis on Bitcoin. This is what I'm seeing on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been trending high all over since since July, and it's still pushing higher and so and higher and higher. So, what am I looking at in the market? What do I see in the market? I've seen this flag. I'll call it flag because everybody trades flag. Flags have been broken out, and it has created a point of interest for me, a supply zone for me, and it has broken this structure, which only solidify my bias that it is going up. So it has broken this, and I'm looking for where I can actually get my buys from. So this right here is my point of demand. So I'm going to buy the market if I can bounce off this point of demand. And if you look at the daily POI has been tested, the daily point of interest has been tested here. So I it might just keep flying from there. So, but if it still want to go down, it might enter the zone and buy. So before going up, but what I'm just looking at, I tend to trade this take this trade because if I decide to just take this trade off this zone here, it would be a trade that would not favor me. My risk to return will be very, very low. I'll be I'll be having to take a trade some like that looks like this to this, and eventually this week also I would have to want to take it down or something like that. So I don't want to trade this way. I want to look for something a little bit better. So I'm going to the 4 hour. That's where I see That's the point at which I see my 4 hour POI. This is the zone, and it has been tested like twice. But eventually, if it wants to react or go bounce off with this um daily POI here, what I believe it would want to happen is, let me just go break it down a little bit further to the smaller time frame. This this is a point. This is just like uh how would I put it, a distribution schematic. So this is all my lows and I lose, and a double low here. This is let me say the preliminary supply, the or the seller's climax, and this, you understand. So taking out this low, mitigating those that are selling from this low, something like that. I don't want to break it down. So what I'll be expecting is, if the price can actually behave this way, I'll use this to kind of draw it. Maybe it should be understandable. So give me something like this before coming out. So what I'll be looking to do is to buy off this the demand that will be created here. I'll buy off the demand that will be created around here. Let me get my so if it eventually moves this way, I'll buy off the demand that is created here. So that's the two things I'm looking at as I'm looking at this market. That's what I'm seeing for Bitcoin. What are you seeing? So thank you. Have a fun filled week. Enjoy your trading week.